This behind me is a Ford Fiesta Z-Tech and it's definitely seen some better days. However, I've got 1 month to get this ready and one of you guys is going to win this car. And as you can see, this has definitely seen better days. We've got the bonnet open, we need to check that. And of course, the wheel is off. This didn't actually come with a wheel, but don't worry, Facebook Marketplace has sorted us out with a nice second-hand one. We can spray them if we want to. And if you come around here, we've got a few other problems going on. So, the first one is, yeah, this isn't connected whatsoever. We're definitely gonna have to sort this out. Obviously, no trim. Again, another problem we're gonna be able to sort. And if you follow me around to this side, there's no rear light in this thing. So yet again, we're going to have to get a Facebook Marketplace to sort us out with this. As you can see, it's really dirty. We'll get that all cleaned up. We need a new light on this thing. Wheels are curved. Brakes aren't in the best condition ever. But of course, we're going to retouch up them and make it look very, very spicy. And one of you is going to win this for just a few pennies. So can we make this Fiesta look banging? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, I want to add, what do you want to see us do to this Fiesta? The choice is yours, so leave the comments down below. So in terms of the exterior, obviously you can see it's a little bit worse for wear. However, we'll move on to the interior, and as you can see, it's not too bad. It's all intact, all seats there. It just needs a little clean. And of course, mechanically wise, we have no idea yet because this thing only has 3 wheels on it. So our aim today is to get the wheel on and see if this thing drives. And I just want to say a massive thank you to Riverside Cars for supplying the car to us, allowing us the space, and of course, giving us the opportunity to work with mechanics to make sure this Ford Fiesta is going to be 10 out of 10 for one of you guys to win. So of course, we have no idea if this car even moves. So our first plan is to get this wheel that we grabbed from Facebook Marketplace onto the car and basically see if this thing is even fit for the road because we have no idea. So let's bash this wheel on the car and get into this dirty work. As you can see, I'm dressed for the occasion, not. And for all of you that say I don't know nothing about cars, look at me now, banging a wheel on a Fiesta. Even though I can't get that bolt off. Well, Facebook Marketplace is a beautiful place because we have just gone and got ourselves a light for the Fiesta in literally 5 minutes. This guy was selling it over the road. He was breaking a Z-Tech S, so we might even be able to get some parts off of that guy in the future. However, we need to get this light onto the car for us to be able to drive it legally on the road. So let's get this light on and see if we can even get this Fiesta to move. Strong, mate. Not like that in the video, I tell you. Come on! Right, okay. Now, we've got these Z screws that need to go in too. So, let's get them in. Smashed it. The lights in, let's go. Right, is it gonna drive? No idea, bloody hope so. This video has been sponsored by How to Pass 101, the ultimate guide on how you're gonna pass your driving test first time. So if you wanna check that out and you're really wanting to pass your test, check it out, link down below. So we ran into a few issues with the Fiesta starting. As you will see on my TikTok, it just decided not to work. But what we've done is we topped up all of the levels, basically gave it a kind of mini service, hooked up a jump pack, and as you'll now see, it's starting first time. So let's get this on a drive and see if it even drives. We have no idea. The wheel might fall off midway through. Who knows? Let's get it on the road. Luke the Bodge Job has tried his absolute hardest to fix up this Fiesta, so will it even drive? I have no idea. We could lose one of these wheels in the process, but let's get it out of the road for a drive and see what this bad boy Fiesta is saying. Right, first drive in the Fiesta. Just 20 minutes ago, this car wasn't even fit for the road, and we're now driving it. And I haven't driven a manual car for about 3 months, so this is going to be rather interesting. So yeah, it's just mad to think that literally, what, half an hour ago, this car only had 3 wheels and no light, and it also struggled to start, and we're now driving this car on the road, and it seems to be absolutely fine. But let's not talk it up because we could have 3 wheels back on the car in a minute. One might roll past us, who knows? But hopefully not. Oh my God, it's actually driving. It's so good. Oh my God. Guys, one of you could win this for like pennies. I'm not sure how we're gonna do this yet, but like one of you guys is gonna win this car that we're now in, and it's absolutely insane. Fiesta to Lamborghini. Let's smash this, guys. Right, I need to clean the back screen. Oh yeah, I forgot, it doesn't work. The motor's not even attached. One more thing we've got to fix on the list, added on, noted. My screen, I can barely see the van behind me. I mean, it's not too bad. Maybe it's just the sun glare. But yeah, I forgot. Oh, there's the front wipers. Oh, we got water. We got just no wiper. Oh God. Well, the window wipers clearly don't work, but who even needs them on the lovely, clean British roads? At least this big boy Fiesta actually drives and works just fine. So that is it. We managed to get the Fiesta on the road and it drives perfectly fine. Of course, today we got the wheel on. We miraculously made it start. We've got the rear light on. We still need to obviously fix this as well. Because as you guys seen in the video, I tried my hardest to clean the screen. However, that wasn't happening because of course this isn't attached at all. So I do want to know in the comments, if you have any mod suggestions for the Fiesta, what you'd like to see us do to this car, then let me know in the comments down below, because of course you guys are going to have the chance to win this car. So that is it. On today's episode, we managed to get the Fiesta on the road. At the start of the day, this thing only had 3 wheels. It was missing a rear light and it wasn't even starting, and we've managed to defeat all of those 3 things. And now this is a working car. However, we have got a few things to fix, so let's check them out now. So of course, the first thing is the motor here is not working. As you've seen when I was driving, I attempted to clean the window and of course this thing did not work. And there is a little bit of noise coming from the rear suspension. So should we get lowering springs for the ZTS? Let me know in the comments down below. So this is the end of episode 1. If you do want to see more episodes just like this one and keep up to date with the Fiesta giveaway, then make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel now and turn notifications on so you don't miss a single video.
We'll be right back.